day-to-day responsibilities are to prepare and maintain the MCG turf surface to the best of my ability, and week in and week out we have events, matches all year long. Keeps us very busy. This is my fourth masterclass that I've come to, and I find it really valuable just speaking to all the other turf managers, because not everyone's situation is the same. And if you can come all this way, all this distance to travel, and take home even one little bit of information, it's going to make it all worthwhile. I was fortunate enough at my venue that the decision to go with the SGL lights was already made before I arrived. They did research all the different options available, and they were by far the easiest to maneuver, deploy, and the support they provide is really great. The availability of the SGL staff is great. You know, we have their mobile phone numbers. We ring them in the middle of the night and wake them up, and with the time difference in Australia, it's sometimes a bit of a challenge, but really good with emails, live chats, anything you want, they can look after you.